Hello and welcome to Missus. Today I'm going to be installing Debian Linux on this old laptop. If you've never heard of Linux, it's an open source operating system, similar to Windows but free. There are many versions of Linux called distros. Debian is the version or distro I'll be installing today. My hope is that I'll be able to install and use KdenLive, a free and open source video editing software. I do already have KdenLive installed on this Lenovo ThinkPad, but I think there are too many processes running in the background for the program to run smoothly. I also want to explore programs and software such as games that are only available for Linux. I'm very new to Linux in general, however I have previously installed Debian on this Dell laptop before and turned it into a Minecraft server. It was very cool to me to think that people from different places across the globe were connecting to this old laptop to play Minecraft together. Unfortunately, the laptop's hardware specs are not up to date for the task, and there was lag when more than just a few players were online. Perhaps someday in the future I'll find another old computer with better specs and I'll open another Minecraft server. For now, I just need a PC that's able to run KdenLive smoothly so that I can edit my videos for YouTube. So, on with the install process. I have a USB flash drive that I will burn or etch the Debian ISO to with my Lenovo laptop running Windows using a program called Balena Etcher. Then I simply put that USB into the Dell laptop, turn on the PC, and press F12 to get to the boot options and choose to boot from the USB. Once the install menu is loaded, I'll choose the graphical install since it seems to be more user-friendly. So, USB flash drive. Powering on. Pressing F12 brings up the boot menu, and I'm not sure which one, so I'll just choose the first one first. Some loud beeps, that was cool. Graphical install. And yes, my language is English. I am in the United States. I do speak American English. I do have Ethernet, but I'm going to choose wireless because that's just easier. I'll leave the host name as Debian. Make the domain name Missus. And on this part, I'm not really sure what to do. I did watch a tutorial video on how to install Debian 12. And in the tutorial video, they chose not to put a password so that they can use the sudo command. It says this is the password for the root or system administrative account. So I think for now I'm going to go ahead and make a password, and I'll do some more research later. I'll put my name for my user account. Select a username for my new account. Put in another password for the user account. My time zone is Central. And the installation continues. I would like to use the entire disk. And definitely the actual hard disk. I think it's an SSD, but anyways. All files in one partition, that's fine for me. Yes, write changes to disks. Installing the base system. Okay, I think United States is good for this. We'll go with ftp.us.debian.org. And I don't need any kind of proxy. Select and install software. And for the popularity contest, I'll stick with no. I don't really think it would affect system performance too much, but just in case, I'm going to say no for that one. And as far as the software, I'm going to deselect GNOME and choose Plasma. KDE are the same people who make KdenLive, so I'm going to choose their desktop environment. Alright, looks like now we're installing the Grub bootloader and finishing the installation. Very cool. I think it took about 10 minutes for this installation to complete. Okay, I hope this is not like a black screen of death or something. I guess I'll just give it some more time. Oh, I moved the mouse. Apparently the screen just turned off. Okay. Alright, remove installation media. And first boot into Debian Linux using the KDE desktop environment. Alright. And here we are, Debian Linux. This desktop environment, or graphical interface, I think it could be called, is called Plasma, and it's by KDE. We do have Firefox pre-installed. Very nice. I'll skip that for now, skip that for now. Alright. If I can type here, KdenLive. Download latest version. And this is where I'm not sure if I want the app image or the Flatpak. Stable Flatpak version is available in FlatHub. I think I'll go with app image. Alright, let's see here. Downloads, open folder. Ah, there we go. I tried to just tap on this, but it does not install like an executable file on Windows. However, if you open it up and double click, you can execute. Continue. And there it is. No installation or anything, it's just open and running. Very, very cool. So now I need to power on the Lenovo. On this computer I have some recordings for another video that I'm making for this channel. So I need to copy those over to the Dell. Let's see, I'll go for the first one. Bluetooth. Back to the Dell. I'll close KdenLive for now. Let me see if I can search for Bluetooth. Hey, Bluetooth right there. Let's see, I'll try to add a new device. Okay, there are quite a few. That's a speaker. Okay, back to the Lenovo. Let's go to Bluetooth settings on this device, or this computer. Let's go to Bluetooth on this computer. And the speaker comes right up. It's charging right now. And actually looking back at the Dell here, here's the computer. This is the Lenovo, so let's add that. Back to the Lenovo, we'll choose yes. Alright, we'll choose yes. And on the Lenovo, we also have to say matches. Trust and authorize. Okay, looks like we need to restart on this one, but on the Lenovo it says that it succeeded. So let's see, Debian right here, remove, okay. Send or receive files via Bluetooth, send files to Debian, next. And we'll browse, go to the desktop. We'll go with clip 1, next, and there we go. Just have to wait for it to transfer over. This is quite a large file, so I'm going to move back over to the Dell laptop. Stop the video for a moment, and I'll be right back with you guys. Uh-oh. And it looks like maybe the file is too large, or for some reason it cannot be transferred over Bluetooth, which is okay. I have a hard drive. I'll be right back with you guys after I get this file transferred over to the Dell. Alright, we have all of the files copied over here. Let's open up KdenLive again. And we're at the project bin. Right-click menu, add clip or folder. Desktop, miss clip 1. Continue. Drag this down to here. And the program already seems to be running much faster. There's basically no delay whenever I search through the timeline. Let's press play, and it just plays. Very cool. So let's see what kind of games or programs that we can find. Save this file first, of course. We'll go back to Firefox. And search for Linux-only games. List of games exclusive to Linux. We'll try this first. This one was actually up. Looks like this one, Lucky Park by Lucky Productions. First release in December 18th of 2022. Minecraft Pi Edition. I've never heard of that one, but I do like Minecraft, so we might try that one as well. We have 9 games here on this website. I'm going to try this one first. Lucky Park. I'll try this one, I guess. I guess these are screenshots of the game. Certainly looks interesting. It looks like it might be a Sims-like game. This is a roller coaster, so maybe Sims and Roller Coaster Tycoon. Maybe that's more what it is. Roller Coaster Tycoon, but open source and free for Linux. Not sure if it's actually open source, but it would make sense for it to be open source. Download. And there it is. Open. Put this zip on the desktop. Oops. Cancel. Extract. To the desktop, that's fine. Name. Go ahead and name it Lucky Park, like it said. And there it is. Error. Failed to add resource path resources. Check the documentation on how to set the resource prefix path. Okay. Resources. Okay. Well, for some reason, the resources folder is not in the folder after I extracted all the information. Let's see if I can do it this way. Okay, there are the resources. Let's see if it'll open now. All right, cool. Opened up right away. New. I guess I'm just in the game now. Okay, very cool. Have airplanes here. A Ferris wheel, go-karts, Humpty Dumpster, pavement, roller coaster, a bench, all kinds of things that we can add. Dozer, you can doze right here. Nope, I don't know how to do this. Let's see, how do I get out of this game so I can try another one? Escape. All right, main menu. Exit. All right. That wasn't too difficult to get that game going. Let's see what else we can find. Exit. Exit. Many advertisements. I will look for a ad blocker. Eventually. So there was Lucky Park. Let's see what Minecraft Pi Edition is like. So we only need to type in sudo apt install Minecraft Pi in a terminal. How do I get to the terminal? Console, terminal, okay. Let's see here. Sudo apt install, spell it correctly, Minecraft Pi. Jonathan is not in the sudoers file. Okay, it looks like I'm not in the sudoers file, so I'm going to try it this way. Developer website. What is Minecraft Pi Edition? Have you ever thought about learning to program? Yes, I have. Where would you begin? Not sure. How much would it cost? Hopefully free. What would you need to get things moving? I have a feeling you're about to tell me. The Raspberry Pi is a credit card-sized computer that's a great starting point. It's cheap, capable, and approachable for newbie programmers. And we've made a free version of Minecraft just for it. It comes with a revised feature set and support for multiple programming languages. You can start by building structures in the traditional Minecraft way, but once you've got to grips with the in-game features, there's opportunity to break open the code and use programming language to manipulate things in the game world. You'll be learning new skills through Minecraft. Wow. Wow indeed. Let's download. Alright, let's see. Open up the file, or the folder I meant to say. And extract here. MCPI. Move here. Let's open this again. Okay. Minecraft Pi. Execute. Execute format error. How to run. I think I'm going to have to do some more research before I can get this game running, which is fine. I'll research it. Let's see what other games we can find. Open Saucer. Hexon. Let's see what Hexon is like. It's also by Lucky Productions. Features, controller and keyboard support, golden apples, lasers, unconventional chaos, and mind kicking. Download. There it is. Open folder. Extract. Here. I think that's the resources for Hexon. Let's see if it'll open. And yes, opens right away. How do I begin? Oh, I'm actually walking. Okay, so I'm controlling this person. Let's see if I go down here, what happens. Nothing. Here? Okay. Oh, I'm already going. Okay. You use WASD to control. I'm not sure how to shoot. It just shoots on its own. Uh-oh, they got me. Alright, well this seems like a fun little game right here. I will look up some of the controls and see how to actually play this game. Let's escape for now. Uh-oh, escape. There we go. Okay. How do I exit you? Input graphics, that's just an options menu. Does Control-Alt-Delete do anything? It does, okay. I don't want to log out. Cancel. Close, okay. How to open Minecraft Pi on Debian. Open a terminal window, type in Minecraft Pi. Minecraft Pi. Command not found, okay. Exit. Hexon, Minecraft Pi. Execute format error. How to fix that error in Debian Linux. Alright, this stuff is a little bit over my head, so I'm going to research this some more later on. And I think that's all for this video today. I've got Debian Linux running on this. KdenLive works. so I can edit my videos now. I do have another video in the works. It's about an old tablet, a couple of them in fact. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. Leave some comments. Let me know about some programs, games, or even a DAW, which is a digital audio workstation. For those of you that don't know, I do like to make music, or I'd like to get into making music, rather. Anywho, I'll stop my rambling. See you in the next video.